What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is December the 5th of December, and look what I have. I have me another Amazon box. And I want you to see what it is. And you know me, it's probably something dealing with some kind of fitness or some kind of therapy with fitness. So let's go see what this thing popping is. Open it up. Open it up. Whatever it is, I will put the link in the description of what it is. So if you want to get one, you're definitely welcome to get one. I always use this handy dandy because you cut the box, but it won't cut yourself. All right, we still got more boxes to open, huh? So it's a steam sauna, and it's in black by O'Reed or O'Reilly, depending on tomato. You know what I mean? Tomato. See what it look like. It's an indoor sauna. Indoor me, I like the sauna because I needed someone else. The other one is good. I just wanted something taller. Come with this right here to the pack. We're gonna go through the stuff. Got a box. We'll find out what's in the box when they get done. Hey, got a foot massage thing. So you can put it on your foot. Alright, we got that in there. This right here, I already know this is the mat that you put inside the sauna. So if you move it somewhere, it won't have your floor wet. And it also comes with a chair. It came with a chair as well. So now I got another chair I can sit on. What else? Portable steam sauna. It also had the menu, so it look like this. Ain't that something? Let's see what it's about, right? Let's see what it's about. Let's see how easy it is to assemble. I literally just get, as you see, I'm opening it up as we go. But I see you looking. What's in here? Okay. Okay, that's what it is. This is the stuff you put your water in. So you put it into the sauna. And then the good thing, it's real light. And you can put it in, you can take it anywhere you want to go. Got the lid. I guess it's a device to keep something together. I guess. To cover it up. To cover up the top. Alright, that's what that is. Cover the remote. Hey, it's gonna be real simple to put together. No, clean up in time to avoid clog. So I guess you just put in here. This is where you put your I don't know what you put this. This is just the cord. Hook that on to that part. They're gonna hook that in. But this is the container you put the water and stuff in. Get that out of there. Let me see. And you know, sometimes us, some of us be hard-headed, like, I'm not gonna read that manual. But I am. I am. We're gonna open this. So you're gonna open it up, right? Alright. Oh. Ha! Wow. I'm talking about that thing just popped open like that. It pop open. Let's see, let's see. I might need some more room. I might need some more room. And there you go. So here you go. So we got it in. So we got the zipper where you will open it up. Got the zipper where you can open it up. So if it's too hot, or you can just keep yourself in there in the box. At the bottom on this side over here, where the door that you go in, it's the hole right there where you put this in. Pop that in there. So if I'm not mistaken, what we're gonna do, this one right here is gonna go on the inside. So we put it in the inside, have it at the bottom, have the hole coming out. So that way, you can't hardly see it, but let's try to lower it down some more. See the hole coming out right there? Got it coming out. There you go. Attach it with this here. Add the water and stuff, put it on this right here. Put it in. And then this hole, you attach it to this right here. It seems like self-explanatory. Said hot water, be cautious, be careful. So get that on there, or it could be the other way around. We see. So it's saying. It comes with the sauna tent cover one, and the steamer comes with 2 steam tubes, a carrying bag, a steam box, 1 steam box. Come with an optional. It comes with an optional chair, but it comes with a chair. A wooden foot massager is also in there as well. It got a mat is on here. And we're gonna see the mat. We got the remote, so if you're in there, you can use the remote. So they tell you you gotta use step by step how you put it together. Yeah. Said a hold on the side of the sauna. So I need to have that other device. It's a piece that I probably need to put on so it could put it in there. I just gotta find out where it's at. Probably with the chair. Open the chair. See what's in here with the chair. Got the chair. Blue. We got a blue chair. Cool. Nothing in here. Alright, so where's the other piece at? Where is that? Oh, here you go. It's it right here. It comes in the other bag. I just didn't take everything out. So I will put it in, screw that down. Have one of them going on one side. Put that in, then have the other one going on the other side. Put that in, then have that jumper in here. I probably need to do the other side. I need to do the longer side. I need to do the longer one. Yeah, I need to do it the other way. Do it a long way. Because we want most of it on the outside. We don't need that much on the inside. Put it in. This right here will so the other one I close it in. Come on, get in there. This right here to prevent it from having the other come out. Put that in. Put that in. Trying to see what's the yeah. Oh, okay. It got a diagonal, then you twist it and turn it, lock it in. And then you can go put that in there. Throw that in. You want it? Throw the mat in. Put the mat at the bottom. You want it? Also put the chair in there if you want it. Put the water. You put the water in here. And once the water come in, the other part is just going to steam up. And you'll be good to go. So that's all you got to do with that. So I'll be done with this, y'all. I might do a demonstration while I'm in it. Just not right now. But I will give you another video of this as well. But with that being said, do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about the sauna. Let me know what you think about the indoor sauna. And you see it's portable and it's taller. So if I'm standing up, yeah, it's up here. It's up here. The other one it still work good. It's just shorter. So with that being said, peace and hair grease. Ooh wee.